soulmates, Zion people. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
You are the King of glory. You are mighty, the most high God.
The King of creation, that's your heart, that's your heart, Jehovah.
You are the King of kings.
You are the Lord of lords,
And all the victory belongs to you. Yeah, yeah. I will lift your name on high. I exalt your holy name, God.
You are the greatest King of all the earth. You are the greatest King of all the earth. You are so great, God. You are so great, God. You are the greatest King of all the earth. Lord God, you are worthy.
Lord God, you are holy.
You are alone, the greatest King forever and ever.
So much bigger God than the universe. I'm impressed with your might, acts and deeds.
You reign alone over the human face.
You're so loving God, you are so wonderful God.
You're so great, God, and there's none like you.
I will lift your name on high.
Oh, oh, oh.
I exalt your